those areas because a lot of people are dying prematurely.
Are you married, Apostle?
I'm very much married, Mama.
But in Africa, women can have 2 wives. It's our African culture. I've stayed in Zambia before.
No, but there are tribes in Zambia that allows that. But me, my tribe does not allow to have more than 1 woman.
What about if I confess right now to say I like your voice? Will you pray for me? I like your voice. Sweet.
I pray for you in which areas?
I like in the spirit of envy. I like your voice. It's sweet.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
What is your name, Apostle? It's sweet.
My name is Paul Walia.
Apostle Paul. Imagine you and me.
Yes.
You and me. Moving destinies to destinies. Imagine. You'll be impacting people in the spiritual level. Me, I'll be impacting people in the HIV and AIDS level. Can't you see, Apostle? You and me.
That would be very awesome.
Look.
God will be very happy. Same friend of Abraham.
You see.
Be very pleased, and whatever you ask him, you do it without even hesitating.
Apostle, let me put on video. I want to see you on video. Apostle, come.
See me?
Yeah, I want to see you, Apostle. Hi, Kai, Apostle. This is my year of happiness. Apostolic people are calling me. I will get there. I will get to my destiny.
Miracle, give me headsets.
Apostle.
Hello.
Which apostle is this? Don't I know you from somewhere?
That you have not seen me before. I look like Bushili, yes, but you have not
You
seen
look
me
like
before.
Bushiri. That's why. Apostle.
Even Bushili tells me I look like him. But
You
I'm not him.
look like Bushiri, Apostle. So you have a church?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Let me turn the camera so that you say hi to the people. Just hold on. I want to say hi to the people, Prophet, Apostle.
Hi, people. Hi, friends to Tate. God bless you. I love you guys.
Oh,
Continue
you are.
supporting my lady.
Oh yeah, I'm your lady. Yes, I'm your lady.
Yeah, you are my lady to them.
I am. So, Apostle, how many church members do you have? Is that your child?
This is my boy, yes.
Hello, yeah, it looks like you for sure.
Yeah.
Can you go somewhere where we talk private? Can you go somewhere where we talk private? Can you go somewhere where there are no kids? I want something where I want just to ask about my apostle.
Okay.
Do it, sister one. Hey.
Okay. I'm alone now.
Are you alone, Apostle?
Yes, I'm alone.
What do you feel when you see me?
It's my first time I've seen you, and when I saw you, I just wanted to see you the way I'm seeing you right now.
What is happening in your blood? What is happening? I can see you are smiling. You have been smiling.
I just never thought I could talk to you like this.
I'm a human being. Yes, I'm a public figure. Let me just put my phone here so that my people can see you also. I'm a human being, Apostle. It doesn't mean that I'm God. Yeah. So how are you feeling? How are you feeling, Apostle? My Zambian Apostle.
Okay. I'm feeling okay to meet my neighbor, my Zimbabwe.
What are you wearing, Apostle? I just see your shirt. Show me what's your attire today. Show me what you are wearing, trousers or shorts or what? What are you wearing, my Apostle? Feel free.
I can't show you my full attire. I can't show you right now my full attire.
What are you wearing down there? You don't have anything?
Yes.
Oh, Apostle, let me remove the camera from people so that I just see it for myself. I don't want the eyes of people to see the Apostle. People, just hold on. You can show me alone. Show me, Apostle. What are you wearing?
I can't show you that, honestly.
Why?
Not today.
Apostle, be free. How am I going to open up to you when you don't open up to me? Let's open up to each other. Be free. Be free, Apostle.
You told me you are a man. How will I know that you are a man?
No, I'm a woman. Let me show you my boobs. I was just joking. Let me show you my boobs. Are you happy now? These are my boobs, Apostle. Are you happy? I'm a woman, no?
You said you are a man who was born with boobs.
Yeah, have you seen that
That's
before?
what you told me.
Yeah, those boobs are real.
I've
Don't be
seen
fooled
them.
by.
I've seen-
Don't be fooled
I've
by
seen
mouth.
before, bisex.
No, bisex is
before.
someone who do. Me, I don't do women. I was born a woman, like Mary Magdalene. I do my MPs. I go for my peace. Please, I've shown you my boobs now. Please, you have seen my boobs. Can I see something? Apostle, please give Caesar what belongs to Caesar. It's my time now. Chai!
Bring a dress.
This is nice. Let's see. Go down, Apostle. Wow. Let's see there. No, I want to see in front of your trousers. Go down in front. I want to see. I said go private, Apostle, where there are no people. Hey, is it big, Apostle? Touch it. Is it big?
What?
Do you have a big dick? No, Apostle, we are no longer talking about church here. I showed you my boobs. We are now friends. We are now friends. I need to know what you... Yes. Because I opened up, I showed you my boobs. And we are no longer prophesying or do. It's the spirit. Apostle, can you go where it's private, you and me? Please. Are you alone? I don't want your wife to hear me. Zambia!
I'm home, but I can't lock myself because it will raise suspicions.
But you are the man of the house. Go to the toilet, Apostle.
I am.
Go to the toilet. The toilet have good lighting.
Yeah,
Am I right? A toilet aribuino.
Look at you. I'm even speaking my Zambian language now.
I speak.
I'm suspecting you are Zambian. You.
No, I stayed in Zambia for a long time. So I speak Bemba, I speak Nyanja. Yeah, Mkwai.
I'm Bemba.
Murisha.
Ndife wino tate, thank you.
Twatotela. I know. So you and me, I think we have a future.
Really?
I can see you in Sweden. You are in Zambia right now, but your destiny is written Sweden. Sweden.
In Sweden. I can't wait to get there.
Mkwai, I see your name. Please go to the toilet. My pass. Go. I want to see more of you. I want to see.
I'll come to Sweden, then you see me. I'll come to Sweden, then you come and see me. I was even looking for my passport.
How do I say I want to see your dick in Bemba? How do I say I want to see your dick in Bemba?
Hey.
Teach me.
You are choking me now.
Tell me, Apostle, how do I say it?
Can I whisper?
Whisper.
Huh?
Wamba.
Yes.
No, type it for me there so that I say it. Type it for me on the chat so that I say it. I want to ask Dick in Bemba. My Bemba Apostle. Even married men. You see my 2021 even apostles. They are already scavenging on my territory. And we are showing each other body. I showed Apostle my boobs. He was so... Did you like my boobs, Apostle? They were so fresh. Zimbabwean boobs.
Yeah, Zimbabwean.
Zimbabwean boobs. They are from the village. Village boobs, very strong.
Really? I can't wait to preach with you on the same platform.
You cannot wait, and you cannot wait to touch them. Wait. I want to see what you have typed. Hey, this man. What is happening to my Bemba? Bemba Gabemba. Azoba strong. Ari kutora mwamari yake ari kutonditi it is well. It is well. Munari kura mwamari yake. Kwaita seko baba. What is happening to the Bemba? Yeah. You saw the men. The men want to... We showed each other. Hey. People have a project with me now. Let me call this Bemba pastor again. It's nice. Very nice. What is the number of Zambia? 260, is it? Plus 26. Yeah, this one. Kwai. Let me call him video call. Oh, people are so... Yeah. No, it's not a preaching. What? Maybe his data is finished. Oh, I'm sorry now. The kingdom of God is God. Which kingdom? Village boobs. Yeah. The apostle. We are learning a lot on. Let me save his number. It's a good one. I didn't see his dick. I would want to see it. Apostle Zambia. Apostle Zambia.